So, which brings us to the visualizer tool. It's kind of a fun implementation of the sprite font. So, he's got the static variadic template and an Oranos engine std string, which holds the message list. And then, more importantly, it holds its font, which I did the smarter thing here, display string, and a current string. So, when it's first created, it gets a sprite font, and then anytime you add messages in here, it'll go through each message, each string message, pop it out, put it into my display string, render it, and then re-render that same sprite string using a different string, and I delete them. Wow, these naming systems are overlapping. I am sorry. This is the one object I use to display everything. Here's my current string that I'm overriding using your variadic template right here. Who am I pushing into my list of strings in here? So I go through, pop through all the strings of all the messages I want to display, put them into my display string, and render them. So I have this guy actually sitting here, ready to go. He's probably naturally going to go right on top of the others. I didn't think this one through when I made this guy, I'll be honest. Yeah, they're overlapping. So, to make things more clear, screen log, let's drop your default position way down. I'll toss him on the bottom side of the screen. So there he is in the very bottom left. You get the player and the player's position, which is being constantly updated. So what it accomplishes this, is in the player's update, yeah, not the most performant thing really, but it works. In the player's update, it will keep sending commands, hey, write this string, hey, write this string, and giving values for it. See, in the update, you'll keep getting spammed. And this guy is actually called, in the engine, Oranos.cpp, the draw at the very end, screen log attorney, engine control, render. I hide this away from the user just to avoid shenanigans. So then the screen log is also destroyed by the, right there, by the engine itself. So I could show an example of this being run. Oh, make it interesting. Okay, so here's the second iteration. See, I use the player text, pop it in, render it, pop it out, and now I have more interesting player position, which is 0.01.0, to render it, pop it out, and I'm done. And then, once we hit the end of the game, his terminate is called, which calls delete the display string, which will empty all this, which again does not delete the glyphs because they're owned by Sprite Font, who I already demonstrated as being cleared up later by the Sprite Font manager.